What's up? We are in Bydgoszcz today again, but it's beautiful weather compared to last time. Last time was very cold. Now it's actually summer. It's hot.
Gorąco lato. Dobrze. So today we are going to Bydgoszcz because Damian again came here servicing his car. He drives quite a lot.
I actually bought the car pickup in February and I already have a 30,000 kilometers. Can you imagine that?
Right. So today I really want to be in the boat and crossing to the canal. And kochanie, can we go there?
Let's go. Let's find out.
Oh, look at this. There are so many tourists and now there are so many flags, and I read on in the internet 24-26 June there was like European Union Canal conference here. Oh nice. What is this?
Bydgoszcz water.
Oh,
Whatever it is.
okay. Right. Wow. Look at this one. You remember this statue? Nice. I really want to go there by the boat. Kochanie, chodź. Oh, Damian get the water. Okay. So basically, look at this beautiful sunshine. Summer is here. Oh, I will show you how is the river situation. Look at, they have a green plants there, and this river I think is not that smelly. So yeah, let's go. Chodź, kochani.
Maybe they give me the free water then.
Oh, nice. How does it taste?
Like Bydgoszcz water.
Okay. Nice.
Like water. It's not sparkling.
So we bought 2 tickets and then we will go soon. And here is... Ooh, we are going on the boat again. So we are in the boat and then we will sailing the boat. I don't know where to go, but at least I want to experience that. As they said, Bydgoszcz is the Venice of Poland. Let's see. That's the symbol of the Bydgoszcz. Nice. And this is how the way to and look at this. Oh, that's the statue. Nice. Oh, look at this. Kochanie, you scared?
Yeah. Don't like boats.
He really doesn't like the boat, but I force him to go. But look at this. Nice. Oh, they have a water lily.
Utworzono nową diecezję. Budynek pięknie prezentuje się od strony wody, ale największy skarb
See, many people are also doing kayaking. So nice.
szczęścia budynek długo nie miał. Budowę zaczęto na początku lat 70. i trwała prawie 30 lat. W 1994 roku, aby złą passę przełamać, w surowym jeszcze budynku zorganizowano pierwszy bydgoski festiwal operowy. Mimo polowych wręcz warunków, wszyscy wspominają go doskonale, a festiwal nieprzerwanie, rok w rok, przyciąga spore grono amatorów opery i nie tylko. Scena uznawana jest za jedną z
It's beautiful.
rocznie blisko
Nice.
100 przedstawień ogląda łącznie ponad 80 000
And that's the
widzów.
restaurant over there, you see? Oh, that's another statue over there, you see? Beautiful.
Dawniej jak tutaj dziesiątki dalej pływały, no to one były rozwiązane. Prawdziwa Berda płynie za tymi drzewami, które wziąłem za ten wałek. 3 metry jakby nad nami.
What the guide said, this is the most important thing in
The
Bydgoszcz.
most interesting
Uh-huh.
this is not the real river. This one was created, human-made.
Oh,
But it's part of the river now.
oh nice.
But it's nicer.
Tak.
Na Wyspie Młyńskiej stoją 2 budynki wyglądem przypominające falę. To bydgoska Marina, hotel, przystań i klub sportowy w jednym. Okrzyknięta w 2013 roku bryła
Actually very nice.
wyspa.
Nice, isn't it?
Naprzeciwko opery w pełnej krasie podziwiać mogą Państwo serce miasta, Wyspę Młyńską.
Damian is
I do it for you, Saya. Okay.
I know. This is because you love me. Okay, just go.
I still prefer my car. Okay.
He's just afraid. So that's why he's quiet. Oh, look at the bridge behind. Behind me, that's the bridge of love. We wash Chivas. Watch the bridge. See?
Budynki przypominają
Kochanie, look,
ważnej
that
dla
statue.
rozwoju miasta tradycji handlu zbożem. Do Bydgoszczy trafiało przede wszystkim zboże z Kujaw,
Very nice.
składowane było na brzegu rzeki, należał do wojska pruskiego. Były stajnie
This one is the
królewskie,
Poczta
służyły teraz
Polska. Look at the
koniom
statue.
obsługującym
Oh,
pocztę.
the
red one. This
Oh, the
one.
red one.
Yeah,
Z czasem
it's actually pretty big and impressive.
poczty.
Considering as that's the building only of the post office, nothing else.
Post office. Is this the biggest one in Poland?
I'm not sure if the biggest one, but most likely.
Kable telegraficzne, a także mieszkania dla pracowników poczty z widokiem na brzeg.
Beautiful.
Budynek niewiele zmienił się przez ponad
Oh, look at this restaurant. Nice. Oh, look at this also restaurant, and that behind that, that's the church. Huh, kochanie? Oh, nice. Very nice. You see that people also come here for fishing, like this guy. Very nice, because the water I think here is quite clean. Tak, kochanie? Look at the church behind that. Wow.
Alright, this is like one of the palace here of Bydgoszcz built for the German elite. Everything was with the view of the Brda River, what we are cruising now actually. But it's nice actually.
Oh, now becoming a restaurant?
Restaurant and partially not operated.
Towarzystwa Wioślarskiego, z którym do dziś kojarzy się
Oh, look at this. So chill. Kochanie, how do you feel?
Okay.
You sure? Okay, that's also another, like boat, people kayaking. It's so nice. I think that's the flag of Bydgoszcz, no? Yeah, I think so.
There are also some nice apartments overlooking the Brda River. Like only 3-story one, but very nice. Actually.
But this is actually another, sport activity. You see people kayaking. I'll show you how it looks inside.
Największe bydgoskie kluby wioślarskie mają swoje stanice właśnie w tej części rzeki. Wspomniane wcześniej Bydgoskie Towarzystwo Wioślarskie ze starego pałacyku przeniosło się do nowych budynków przy ulicy Żubr. Najnowocześniejszy kompleks należy do Lotto Bydgoszcz Bydgoszcz, najbardziej utytułowanego klubu w Polsce.
That's the bridge.
Świata i mistrzowie.
Nice.
Na Brydzie często zobacza cześć rodziny szyperskiej, która przez wiele lat, zanim powstała kładka i most pomorski, przewosiła bydgoszczan na drugą stronę Brydy. Albert Manikowski, którego kojarzy kilka...
No póki co dziękuję za uwagę i życzę miłego rejsu. Powrotnego.
Oh, look at the watercolor, so clean.
I forgot to mention for the tickets we pay 50 zloty for 2 people, so 25 zloty each, which is not too bad, I guess. And I don't know what is there, but I wanna have a look. It's coffee time, maybe some cake. It was very nice, isn't it, Sayang?
Yes.
Very nice. Also, these buildings here are very nice, like old. Very nice. Generally, Bydgoszcz is pretty historical city, though. Not that big, but pretty nice.
Look at this. I think this one is the complex of the restaurant. Look at the architecture building. It's just like mix between old tradition and also a modern one. Oh, nice. Oh, they're also nice. Italian. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Nice, cute restaurant. Nice. Ice cream. The church that we were before, and now we will go to the Rynek, which is the market square, right, kochani? Wow. This is the vibe in summer.
Ah, very nice, isn't it?
Beautiful. Look. I think it's coffee or I don't know. I'm already hungry.
Yeah, let's see what we can find.
Right. Wow. Again, we come here in Bydgoszcz. It's beautiful. It's totally a different vibe than Poznan. But yes, tourists are everywhere. And it is very hot, but it's not as humid as what I can say, honey. It's still enjoyable to go. Let's see. And I think that's a historical statue as the background, and that's the church, and this is the city hall. What is this actually? And I think there are so many restaurants here. Wow. So I remember that last time when we come here, the seating is not like this. Oh, this one, the tourist information about Bydgoszcz. And here is so many restaurant with the flowers. This one is the walking street. Beautiful, right? Nice. So basically this one is the complex of the restaurant. I come here just wanna show you. If you wanna eat, it's already lunchtime. Kochani, tak, we will find a place to eat. But look at this fountain. Only one fountain here, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice. And this one old biblioteca, which is old library. Let's go there. We'll go here. Let's see what we will eat. I really like the picturesque of this walking street. Ah, nice. This one is, I think, Asian restaurant. Saigon. Kebab. And look at the church as the background. So cute. Wow, Kohanye, look at this building behind you. It's so cute. And the restaurant behind. Oh, this one is the food hall. We are inside here. Wow, look at this. And it is more air-con restaurant. Nice. Nice. This one like a food court style. Nice. They have a Thai food as well here. Let's see what they have. Nice. They have the Thai food for today. This one in Polish, and the other one they have in English. I want to have a pad Thai. As usual, Damian will buy pizza. So this one in the middle is the cocktail bar. Look at this green thingy. I really like it. I know it's just the plastic decoration, but look at this one. The place to sit, very nice. And it's aircon. That's the most important thing.
I ordered the silk something, and check this out. Look at this pad Thai, baby. Ooh la la. And I see the Thai chef. They're really cooking when they walk. But looks nice. Ooh, fresh. Little bit like back in Asia, huh?
Remember this vibe like this is really like when we eat in the food court in the Terminal 21 in Bangkok.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Smacznego.
Smacznego, try. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Hot. Fresh. With chicken? Kurczak? Ooh, looks nice.
And tofu.
Tofu? How is
So
it? Nice?
So nice. You have to try.
Okay.
What's Damian's favorite food? Pizza.
Actually, I was thinking to go to the pizzeria, but because we are a little bit in a rush, but also found out this place. It's nice because this is, well, we'll try. No.
Smacznego, kochanie. And I've got my pad Thai. I'm Asian. Rice or noodle is a must. Nice. Look at this small coffee shop. It's so cool.
So cute.
And this is actually the bridge situation. And Yes, that's the Rinek over there. And in front of me, this is the museum. It's so nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. Very nice. And once again, this is how the Bydgoszcz look like. Nice. Look at this pink building. It's very nice. Damian has to go under the shade because he already get like overheated. So now I'll take you to stroll around, sightseeing the city basically. And yeah, oh, look at the church building in the front. Wow, it's very nice, a short escape, sweet escape, what I can say, while Damian has to do his car service. As you see that many people are actually here, and this is actually how it the summer holiday in Bydgoszcz, and so packed.
And it's actually very, very hot, guys. I'm gonna tell you, it's about 30 degrees, I'm gonna tell you.
Right, so I think it's time to pick up your car, Kohanita.
You're happy as you came?
Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow. I'm gonna be on next video. I know already where, but you didn't know, so you have to see tomorrow. Okay? Thanks.